Okay, I want you to look at something real quick if you guys are interested. Alright, take out a US dollar and you can read on it. It says Federal Reserve note. I think a note is a definition of a note is one definition of the word note is a piece of paper. Okay, I think note means a piece of paper. So they say Federal Reserve note, and as you know, Federal Reserve is just, from what I understand, it's a private bank, and it has connection with the national government, with our federal government, national, federal, same thing. It has connection with our national government, but it's private. It was set up that way in the past for probably not good for the average person. But anyway, I want you to look at that dollar and read that thing. It says Federal Reserve note. Now take out a quarter, take out a dime, take out a nickel, a penny. Do you see anywhere on those coins that says Federal Reserve note? As far as I know, I don't. Now the U.S. Mint, from what I understand, coins, makes those coins. Okay. Yeah, I think it also prints the paper. You know, the dollar. Now, as you know, copper was taken out of a penny, I think in 1980 or 82, I forget, when they first started doing it. Because it cost more people could just melt them down and make a profit. Because I think it was maybe 2 or 3 cents, I'm not sure. For every penny that was made, it cost a lot more than it was actually worth. So they took out the copper, and as you know, they took out the dime, the silver out of the dime, and the quarters. And I'm not sure, but I think the nickel might have had nickel in it, the metal nickel. So they took that out too. Well, they took something out of it to make it cheaper, and they took out. People often don't understand that there is a thing called Susan B. Anthony. It's a dollar coin. A lot of people, when you try to use it at a store, people might say this is not real money. It's not real. What is this? Because they don't see it very often, but it is real dollar. It's a dollar coin. Usually, the post office and stuff like that will give you them back and from their automatic machines when you get coins back, they'll give you maybe a Susan B. Anthony. Now, what I'm getting to, and make it very, very simple, as you probably already know, is that the coins are not Federal Reserve notes. They're not Federal Reserve coins. They're real, I say real money. Now, what is real money? It's just the reason why. See, it's just an agreement that it has value. The paper and the coins. It's just an agreement that it has value. It's a way. People have agreed. They got to use something. They don't want to just have a bunch of eggs and then try to trade eggs for gasoline because the person who's selling the gasoline may not want eggs. Bartering. So it's just we use money so that everybody. It's very portable, and you can buy whatever you want as long as the person's willing to accept the thing we call money, coins and dollars. Because that's how it works.